Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa bars. First, gather your ingredients, including cooked quinoa, a binding agent, and your favorite mix-ins. We'll cover everything from selecting the right components to the final baking process. These bars are a fantastic, nutritious snack, perfect for meal prep or a quick energy boost. Get ready to create a batch of wholesome treats that everyone will love with minimal effort and maximum flavor. To begin, ensure you have 1 1/2 cups of cooked quinoa, cooled and ready. Next, measure out 1/2 cup of your preferred nut butter, such as almond or peanut butter, which acts as a key binder. You'll also need 1/4 cup of maple syrup or honey for sweetness. Finally, grab about 1/3 cup of your favorite additions, like mini chocolate chips, chopped nuts, or dried cranberries to customize your bars. Once your ingredients are ready, combine the cooked quinoa, nut butter, maple syrup, and your chosen mix-ins in a large bowl. Stir everything together until it's well combined and sticky. Line an 8 by 8-inch baking pan with parchment paper, then firmly press the mixture evenly into the pan. Bake your quinoa bars in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, until the edges are lightly golden. After baking, it's crucial to let your quinoa bars cool completely in the pan for at least 1 hour. This allows them to firm up properly, making them easier to cut. Once cooled, use the parchment paper to lift the entire slab out of the pan. Cut the slab into 12 to 16 individual bars, depending on your desired size. Store these delicious, homemade quinoa bars in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days, or refrigerate for longer freshness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.